Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel Mirabel Family TV. If you are seeing our channel for this first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos and comment. Thank you all and God bless you as you do that. Alright, today's video I'm just going to be saying one or two things about doing something back home. Every time I've been seeing many videos about doing something back home. When I say back home, I mean Nigeria or any country you come from. Because of this, do something back home, do something back home. Some people practically starve themselves here in Europe. They starve their children. They live uncomfortably just to build a mansion in Nigeria. Doing something back home is not a problem. It's not a bad one. It's not a bad one at all. I'm not saying it's a bad one. We all need to do something back home. But we shouldn't forget where we are living as well. We shouldn't forget that our children and our life here is our priority. So many people are in this Europe that built so many mansions in Nigeria. Some don't even have documents to go and see what they built there. Yeah. Some people will say they are doing something home for their children, forgetting that the children we give birth to here, they are not going to Nigeria to drag properties now. Oh, please, can you people tell me if you have seen any child that was born and brought up here in Europe that go to Nigeria to go and drag for his father or his mother's house? No. Do something here that you are staying. Do something here. You know that you can buy house here as well. After so many years, it will yield you a big money. People will say, do something home, do something home, do something home. Because of do something home, do you know that some people, they will give them government house. They will not allow their children to have room. They will stay in the same room. 3 children, 4 children, the same room, the same bedroom with the husband. They will stay in the same bedroom. Some will be staying in the city room. They will give the rest to people to rent it so that they can have money to do something back home. Some people will even do the things back home. When it will be time for you to go home, they will set problem for you. You will not even be able to see those things that you did home. So many of us, we built mansion in Nigeria. We haven't even seen it. We haven't seen it. Doing something back home, I'm not against it. My people, don't quote me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I didn't say you shouldn't do something back home. But at least take care of yourself as well. Take care of your children here. So people will say they collect my children from me, or they say I'm not taking good care of them. Check yourself. Are you taking good care of them? Are you taking good care of them? Check your heart too. You that is crying that they collected your children from you, that you didn't take good care of them. Check your heart. Are you taking good care of these children? Some people, their children will not even have good food to eat because they are saving money to do something back home. In our place, they used to say that it's the people that built before that built the old model. If you check it out now, those days that we built house, those days, all those patterns, they are not really again. But that time, they will tell you that if you did not build at that time, or that is to say that you did not come Europe. That's what they used to say in those days. They will say, if you not build 2 flats, let me say you not can do anything for Europe. Who 2 flat help? You know how many of us will never say our 2 flat for You know how many of us will not see money for You will do some family, they will not still appreciate. I've heard so many stories of how families, they will even kill their own brother, their own sister, when it will be time for that person to come, so that they will give account of all the businesses, all the houses that they give them money to build. They will just kill them. You know how many people have gone to Nigeria, they don't come back? You know how many people that want to go to Nigeria, they will make sure they blind their eyes never to know home, to come home. You know how many people have done so many things back home and they died here in Europe just to take their corpse home? No money. The family cannot even provide money to take the corpse home. Many people, they don't have documents, but they have billions of nairas in their account in Nigeria. They cannot even provide 5,000 euro a year to do their document or to do anything that will make them have documents. They don't have it because you know why? When they have 50 euro to my account in Nigeria, when they have 100 euro to my account in Nigeria, this life is very short for you to save and save and save and save and save and starve yourself. Some people, they cannot even provide 3 square meal for their children. We know that Europe children don't eat 3 square meal, but they will eat breakfast, they will eat in the afternoon, they will eat what we call goûter here. We call it goûter, snacks. Then they will now eat their evening food. You know that many people, they don't even buy that goûter for their children. They will tell you they don't have money for goûter. They have the money. Who told you they don't have? Here in France, they pay children. Yeah, if you don't know, they pay children steady. Why will you starve your children? They give those children money. They are paying children here in France every month. Many parents, they will pack all those money they pay for their children. They will just carry them. Oh yeah, Nigeria. You start giving the children biscuits. No €1 biscuit that maybe the children will be even tired of eating. Some children, they can tell you that they have not been to McDonald's once. This McDonald's that some children don't even eat. They will tell you they have not even been to McDonald's once. My people, this life is too short. Our children are not going back home to go and fight for those properties. If you buy a house here, your children can inherit it. You know the one that pains me most? Some men will tell you that I'm doing all these things for my children. No? I'm doing all these things for my children. No? I'm building the house for my children. No? I'm building the company for my children. No? I'm building the shopping malls for my children in Nigeria. When you have family that open mouth, they open mouth down. They open their mouth down. You have family that open their mouth down, that are waiting for where they know sow they want to reap. Most of those women that are working, most of the men that are working, they are not working because they want to take care of the children. They are not working because they need money to take care of the children. They are working because they want to build a mansion back home. Do something back home is good. I'm not against it. But make sure you do something where you are living as well. Make sure you take good care of the children, the blessing the Almighty God has given you. Do you know that we that are in Europe, the only gain we gain in this Europe is the children that we have? My gain of coming to this Europe, they are my children. They are my joy. Don't, because of doing something back home, deprive your children of so many things they are supposed to enjoy here. Do something back here too as well. Do something where you are staying. Live well. Eat well. It's very important. Eat well. So people cannot even buy pounded yam as cheap as puree. So people don't buy. They buy flour. Some people, they are living in darkness. They will tell you that pounded yam is too cost. How much is a bag of pounded yam? Not that they don't have that money. They have the money. I tell you, they have the money because they are saving it to do something back home. They are saving it to do something back home. What of where you are staying? Some people in the houses they are staying, they don't have anything in their house. But if you see their mansion in Nigeria, they will equip it. How many times do you go to Nigeria a year? All those mansions that you build in Nigeria, how many times have you slept in those mansions? If you go to Nigeria too much, when you are not a business person, you will only go twice a year. Where you are staying here every day. Your children are staying here every day. Please, do something back home and take care of yourself as well. Don't forget to take care of your own self and your children. Especially the men. Some men, they don't even know the size of the shoe their children are wearing. Because they have never in their lives said, let me buy shoe for my child. Never. Some men, they don't know the sizes of the clothes their children are wearing. Because they have never bought gift for their children. Never in history. Not that they don't have that money. They have the money. They will say it's the responsibility of the mother. Their own responsibility is to build 10 mansions in Nigeria. See, my brother, if you build all those mansions in Nigeria, when you get home, it's only one room you will sleep. Only one room. If you sleep more than one room, it's madness. Please, let's take care of our children. Let's take care of ourselves as well. Let's eat good food. Not doing something back home, doing something back home. So people will even mock people that don't have. They will tell them that, if you see now, ask them for the call result. Which results? I bet forget story. All those ones, they are old school. You know that some people don't have accounts for their children. Our black people, people. We don't even know if we have to save our head for our children. Not because they don't have, because they are doing something back home. Which child, imagine, which of your children will go to Nigeria to go and be fighting for your properties? When you even know that your own family, they will not even allow it. They will not even allow it. So children wear rags here. Rag. You know rag? Rag. Even teachers will be complaining. That's why they take most children from their parents. They don't take care of them. When people go on those days, people should less take care of our children. Take care of yourself. This life, you don't get duplicate at all. Some men, they will tell you that they know they pay the children. And so, if they are paying the children, is it forbidden that your children get gift from you? I didn't say all men, some of the men. Because you want to build mansion in Nigeria, your children don't have their rooms. They stay with you in the same room. Then later, when they go and tell the teacher that I saw my mommy and my daddy doing that thing, then you say that child to the talk. You know, to the talk. Now, what I see, they talk. You know, some children, they will go and tell it. I've heard it. A child, she went to school and she go and tell the teacher that I always see my mommy in the night and my daddy doing something. Then when they came home, they see that children, they ask the child, you don't have your room? He say, no. At your age, you don't have your room? They know. Sleep with your father. And the younger one say, yes. We sleep with our mommy in the same room. Although they have their bed, but it's the same room. The child told the teacher what she saw. He told the teacher everything. And when they take the children from them, they were crying. These people, I'm telling you, I know them. I know them. You know that woman she drives Jeep, the latest Jeep in Nigeria. Then, not now. It has been a long time this thing happened. Do you know that this man and this woman, if you see their Jeep then in Nigeria, if you see their mansion, their 3 children were living in the same room with them. Kids that were already in primary school, sleeping in the same room with their parents. The man was working. The woman was working. The house was 3-bedroom flat. They were living in the same room with their children, and they keep the restroom for rent. Even here that we are staying in France, the government will give you houses here. The money we are paying is not even big. The people will still give the rooms out. They will rent out the rooms. They will put their children in the same room with them. Vanity upon vanity, all are vanity. Take care of your children, dear. Gone are those days. Do something back home. Do something back home. Come on, with Yvonne. So women cannot buy. They will tell you, I will just put 150 for Yvonne. I will just put 200 for you, my hair. Wait till I cannot they try them. Come on, cream. Some people cannot buy. They use Dizili to rub. You know Dizili? Dizili, it's like hand cream. They give it for free here. So women, they use it to rub. They have the money to buy cream, I bet you. You know why they cannot take care of themselves? You know why they cannot take care of their children? Because they want to do something back home. You know why they cannot buy clothes for their children? Because they want to do something back home. You know why they cannot eat good food? Because they want to do something back home. Some will tell you that, no, I don't get that kind of money to waste. Now Nigeria, therefore they call result, my dear, gone are those days. You are old school. Go and check time. You don't know the time? Your account here, that one they look now. We are checking our account here. We don't check Nigeria account anymore. If I'm going back home, I take my euro with me. I don't need to gather it in Nigeria for people that don't even know how I get my money to misuse for me. Do you know how many euros many people have used anyhow in that Nigeria? Because they don't know how the money is coming. Their own is just to spend it. So my people, this will be the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. I hope this video gets to someone. I hope this video makes sense to someone. Thank you. God bless you. I love you all. Keep on supporting us and God bless you for that. Love you all. Bye.